Hey everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I am having a destash. I have mini albums in my collection that for one reason or another have not been finished. Now these are not in perfect shape, but once you put your pattern paper on them, you'll make a fabulous mini album. So this is great, especially if you haven't made your own mini album. It's already made for you. All you have to do is decorate it, and that's the fun part. So I'm going to take you one by one and show you what they are, and it's first come first serve. So let's get started. So the first one is a small one. The paper on the cover is printed. The pages are 4 by 4, and there's a bunch of pages. I think there's 4 signatures, and each signature has a flap in front, a pocket, one page pocket on the back, and then another flap. So there's a total of 3 separate pages, front and back, so you get 6 pages on that. So see, there's the flap on the front, then you see a small pocket, another pocket, and another flap. So the pages inside, it's done in a off-white, sort of a cream color. And then one of the pages, the flap just opens up as well. So if you have Instax photos, you can get a lot in this little mini album. So as I said, the front cover and the hinge is decorated, the rest is plain. There is room for hidden photo mats inside the 4 pages. It doesn't come with the photo mats, but there's room to put them in. So that is number 1, and it's $20 plus shipping. I'm up in the Northeast. If you want, I can give you an idea of what shipping would be. So cute, quick, easy. It measures 5 by 5. So that was number 1, $20. All right, now let's get to number 2. So this is a landscape version, really. It's got a really tall spine. It's about 3 inches. And I think it's 5 by 7. And there are 4 pages. So there's a flap there. Yep, 5 by 7. It's not a hinge spine. It's more, I call it a waterfall spine. I don't have that many flaps and folds. The last 2 pages have some, but there obviously is room to add extra flaps and folds to it if you want. I was using it in a tutorial showing how to make this. That opens up, and you'll probably see there's an error right there. See, that shows some of the adhesive shows on the side. So either you could cut that off or just cover it. Okay, that is number 2. And that is also $20 plus shipping. Here's number 3. So this is done in craft cardstock. It doesn't have magnets to hold it, but you'll need a couple of magnets. So this has a 2 1/4, 2 1/2 inch spine. And this has, the pages are the same. So the front opens up that way, and then also the other way. And then you turn the page, and there is a side pocket. Now the back of it needs to be covered. It's 9 inches long. I think I measure it in a second. But all you need is to put your decorated paper there and cover it. I didn't put it down because I wanted to put the magnets on it first. So then it opens, it's got that side magnet closure. So you'll need to put on magnets and cover that. So anyhow, that's page 1. And it opens up that way as well. There's a hidden pocket page there, but I don't have the mat in there. And that opens that way. And there we go. So you can see the pattern. Page the first page of each signature opens that way. And there's the measurements. And then there's a hidden pocket page and a side pocket. So that is number 3. So you'll just need a 9 by 7-inch sheet of paper, and then you're good to go. So that one is also $20 plus shipping. I'm looking for somewhere to put that. And that is mini album number 3. Mini album number 4 is white. This one is probably more finished and inclusive than the others. This one is $25 plus shipping. It's 8.5 by 5.5. I used a lightweight cardstock. It's probably a 60 pound. I know you're going to be covering it so you won't see it, but this, you can probably see like the glue lines in the front. I'm not nuts about that. But again, you're going to cover it with paper, so it's not a big deal. So 8.5 by 5.5 with about a 2.5-inch spine approximately. This one has the double waterfalls that are 3 by 4 in the front. Now this one also has magnets in it. So like I say, it's more inclusive than the others. You can put 11 pictures, 12 pictures on the front. And then the hidden pocket pages here have the photo mats. They're a little larger than what you need, but if you're going to use a decorative edge punch, then there's enough room for you to do that, or even just a corner punch. But if it were me, I would cut this down by 1/2 inch. So there's another magnet. Now I did put a piece of paper so that it doesn't stick together too much. And there's the other magnet. So there's a flap on the second page. Third page just has a flap that goes up and over. Another magnet. Another hidden pocket with a photo mat. That page is blank. This page has a belly band with the photo mat. And it's a big photo mat. It covers the page. And there's the hidden photo mat on the pocket. This set of pages has the corner pockets with the photo mats for you. And again, you can cut that down if you wanted to. There's the photo mat. Blank spread. You can do whatever you want on there. There's your photo mat. And then that page opens like that and closes like that. And then the back pocket flips up. There's a couple of extra flaps if you want. And there's the library style closure already. I just didn't adhere it because you probably want to put pattern paper over it and adhere the library style closure to the pattern paper. So that is number 4, 8.5 by 5.5, $25 plus shipping. This one is a nice one. This is made of the navy blue artisan cardstock. You can see it's got some scratches on the paper, but it's still very durable paper. And again, you're going to cover the front of it with some kind of patterned paper. So yeah, it's got some scuffs on it. So the first page has a flap. It's got the scallop edge pocket from scallop edge corner from We Are Memory Keepers. Second page has a pocket. You can see some of the adhesive shows. You know, all you need to do to get rid of that adhesive there near the spine is just take an X-Acto with a new blade, lightly cut that, take some goo off, I don't know, a lighter fluid, and put it on. You can just peel that off. So there's another page. There's a pocket. I think I measured it somewhere. You'll see it's 4 inches, 3.5, 4. And pocket on that side and another flap. so you can see what the pattern is. The big pocket. I think it's 4. And there's another flap. So that blue one is number 4 for $25. 6 by 8. All right. The next one, this is a big one. This one is 8.5 by 9, and it's $25. There are some blank pages, and towards the front, more of the pages are completed. So that opens up, and then this comes up, and there's a big pocket down there. I don't have any magnets on this one at all. So now this one is a stacked pocket, a triple stacked pocket. And then these pages are more stacked pockets. If that's too many pockets for you, you can either gently peel it off or just cover it with a piece of black cardstock and put what you want. It's going to add some extra weight and bulk to it, but if you don't want all those pockets, that's an option. So there's a page with an accordion pocket, so you can get lots in. And then these pages are blank. You can do what you want to them. Number 7 is the craft one. It's 5.5 by 8.5. The price on this one is $27.50. This one has a nice cardstock base. It's a very heavy craft cardstock. You'll notice in the pocket there's that craft color, which doesn't actually match everything else, but if you were to ink around the edges, it'd be fine, or just use different color cardstock if you want something for your pockets. So it has sort of a pattern. There's the flap on the front, hidden pocket page, and their pocket is included, and flap on the back. Flap on the front, there's the hidden pocket, and flap on the back. So there's a lot of pages in this one. You could get a lot of photos in here. And as I said, that's a good sturdy craft cardstock, so it would make a super strong mini album. The last page, the cardstock that's in the pocket doesn't match the rest of it. You can see it's a little yellow. Back page has a flap and a pocket. See, that one is just a little more yellow. I don't know if anyone would notice. I noticed, but I don't know if anyone would. So that is number 7, $27.50. And here's just flip through, shows you what it is. All right, that's number 7. Now the next 3 items are papers, labels, die cut images, maybe some stickers, so you can see what's in it. So this one is the Flamingo pack. It's $20, and I'm just gonna let you see all the goodies that come with the Flamingo pack. So that is Flamingo pack, $20. All right, there's 2 of these packs. Thanksgiving, thankful, either one. Lots of die cut shapes, some stickers, some library pockets, some wooden leaves, and lots of paper in assorted sizes from a couple of different collections. So there is number 1, and number 2 is just about the same. So sort of a grab bag. So those are $20 as well. All right, so here's a quick overview of the items. I'll try to get on the website and mark sold when they have sold. And the cost of shipping will be available on the website, so you know how much it's going to be. So that is it for my D-stash. Hopefully you'll find something that you can use and you can make some pretty things. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.